You've probably heard of SEO, but what about those newfangled terms, GEO and AEO? Are they different from SEO? And if so, what are they? Let's start with SEO. If you're not familiar, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it refers to the process of optimizing your web content to show up in search engines like Google and Bing, specifically in organic results. Basically, when someone searches for a term in Google that's related to your business, you want your website to be at, or at the very least near the top of the search results. That's so more people will discover your business, visit your website, and become customers. Some common SEO tactics include integrating keywords into your content, optimizing your site for mobile, improving your page speeds, and earning backlinks. All of these things help optimize your content for Google's algorithms and improve your chances of ranking highly in search results. So that's SEO. Pretty straightforward, right? And that leaves us with AEO and GEO. And that's where it gets a little tricky. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization, while AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. The thing is, they're both pretty new terms, so not everyone has agreed on a single definition for each of them yet. That means you might hear them defined in different ways depending on who you ask. For a lot of people, the two terms are interchangeable, but to avoid vagueness, let's define them as separate things. Specifically, we're defining GEO as the practice of optimizing for AI responses in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and so on. And we'll define AEO as the practice of optimizing for AI and traditional search features like featured snippets and people also ask boxes. The good news is, no matter how you define them, optimizing for them looks similar. To help your content show up in search features and AI responses, you should do a couple of different things. To start, you should try to target more conversational keywords. People tend to use full sentences when they're using AI, so conversational keywords can be better for showing up in AI responses, and just better to meet the user where they're at. You should also answer questions directly in your content. Don't beat around the bush when you answer user queries. Be straightforward. You might put your target query as a heading and then answer the question immediately in the content underneath that heading. And of course, in addition to those things, you should follow all the typical SEO tactics like optimizing your page speed and earning backlinks. Those tactics help you rank in AI responses as well as traditional search results. Alright, so which one of these strategies should you include in your marketing? SEO, GEO, AEO? The answer's easy. Include all three. A lot of the best GEO and AEO tactics are good for SEO anyway. For all three strategies, keeping the user in mind is the guiding principle, so it's not a big stretch to just optimize for all three at once. That helps you increase your search visibility across the whole internet. You can also optimize for social media, forums, and more, wherever your audience spends time online. Optimizing for all of these things together is what we call Omni SEO. If you want to learn more about Omni SEO or about optimizing for traditional SEO and AI, we've got plenty of other videos on our channel. Be sure to subscribe and check them out. That's all for this video though. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy optimizing!